Hii kitu inasema Ruto amelaunch hii barabara.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, the Wiper Patriotic Front party leader, has been exposed for telling lies about William Ruto's development tour in the Ukambani region. Kalonzo alipitia hapo Ukia Emali Road ama Emali Ukia Road at night na akasema construction ishasimama. But I want to ask you a very simple question. Barabara zinajengwa usiku ama ni mchana?
Hii kitu inasema Ruto amelaunch hii barabara Wednesday tarehe 12. Leo ni Friday tarehe 14. Siku mbili baadaye hapa magreda yalikuwa yamewekwa hapa kuonyesha rais ana launch barabara ya kutoka Emali kwenda Matiliku 20 kilometers. Siku mbili baadaye hakuna evidence except this monument. This is just a monument. So this is not how to run a country. People expected by now matingatinga ingekuwa inaendelea na hii kazi. This is actually shameful.
It is also very shameful to come and inspect roads at night. Kalonzo Musyoka should have walked na tupe the real picture from the Mali Junction kuingia na ndani na Matiliku. Sio kutuonyesha place hiyo monument iko ya William Ruto akilonjo barabara. The residents from that area are telling us that the construction is still going on. Tractors are on site na wao hata ndo wanachunga. Have a look.
Baada kwa dubune macho ninye chama ni macho kima na andola na kuna siasa na ngali isiamo ya nisiyo ndio umuntu guru ya wasazi na ngali sio na mashine sio ndesiba na nye na bodumea o na onge ujeba nilete sunga maliro yayo na we ani muende ona yinyo mwaga kuma emali kuko mpia pa na kuma o ne we o ba muende na oyino uende obu ni mekwete ya wasazi uwe wala mna kuna siasa na yaja na ba yinyo ya uende baba ye siasa na we ani uende ngeke sio uende o anu maiga na siasa ndini na siasa itapeja kana ina siasa maondola matedia anu maende ekaimaende nenyumu kwete siasa bukwata siasa umali lo ndezi ba ila lo sio lelu na kusio Kenya.
Fellow Kenyans, I want to take some minutes and explain to you what is happening or what those guys were trying to tell us. Wao wamesema ni wakaaji wa Emali town, Ndundune to be exact. Ndundune is a place along the road, the Emali Ukia Road, on your way to Matiliku. Hapo ndio place hizo trucks zinalala na wanafanya kazi kama watchmen. So they are already enjoying, wao wanafanya kazi kama watchmen na William Ruto amedeliver the Emali Ukia Road. So Kalonzo Musyoka should stop playing politics around developments. After Mutua, the current CS for Labour and the former governor Machakos County also warned Kalonzo about playing politics on matters developments. Have a look.
Tulimwona ndugu yetu mzee wetu pale jana Matiliku ameenda usiku wakati wafanyikazi wameenda kupumzika, akasema barabara haiendelee, anawadanganya wananchi. Lakini shida sio yeye, unajua ameshtuka kwa sababu hapendi maendeleo. Kwa hivyo yeye amechanganyikiwa. Tunamwambia ngoja William Ruto atakuonyesha maendeleo vile ilivyo.
I will be giving a full report on how the construction of that road will be going on because uko ni nyumbani. I will tell you what is happening, whether William Ruto has delivered ama ni empty promises just like before. Kalonzo Musyoka also missed the ODM at 20 and the reason is because William Ruto was in attendance. I have been invited to ODM's founders dinner in Mombasa, but I will not attend. I will not share a table with Kasongo, a serial killer, a corrupt individual, and someone responsible for deaths of our children. My conscience and principle will never allow me to be in the same room with such a person. Kalonzo. Yani Kalonzo anataka kutuambia yeye na William Ruto hawajaipatana. Oh, along. Kalonzo amekuwa State House on numerous occasions. Ile time ya Nadiko report, Kalonzo met with William Ruto because Ruto was the president. Hata juzi tuko na time Kalonzo ameshoot one term in front of William Ruto. So sielewi kwa nini Kalonzo alisema aendi hiyo meeting at William Ruto ako. The main reason on why Kalonzo did not attend the ODM at 20 is because wao na kina Maanzo walitoroka na certificate ya ODM.
Anyway, So we registered the party under Manso and I don't know who else, maybe the president knows. I don't know all of them. You know, age is catching up on me. But we got so we went to Pan-African Hotel. At that time, there was still pushing. We were still pulling. Uhuru was still pulling, but I don't know what he wanted, and we had given corporate members. So I called him. I said, Uhuru, go back to your people. Don't come and harass us here. Go back to Kano and build your base there. We will remain here. And then Kalonzo also, and Mutula Senior, still continued wanting. Kumbe they knew. The next thing, they ran away with the party. That Dan Manso.
I also saw Daniel, my friend Manzo. He read I listened to him very carefully when he was reading the prayer here. And I remembered those days when Daniel Manzo made us partyless. And I think when we get to heaven, I will ask him a few questions. Because one evening he ran away with ODM Kenya, and then we were stranded, and the elections were just around the corner. So heaven is really going to be very interesting.
So we were partyless. We were ODM, but without any party. They had run away with the party. So now we thought of, what shall we do? What shall we do? Imanyara has registered the other one. Here is ODMK is gone. So we thought, well, let's register for ODM Asili or ODM Original. So we were still debating. But the party leader, Honorable Raila, and may his soul rest in peace, you know, he was a good thinker. So one day, when we were still talking, there was a restaurant somewhere we used to go sometimes on Lenana Road. He said, you know, Kumbe he had actually decided to approach Imanyara and, well, ask what you want. The rest you can conclude.
Yes, just to shed some light, Henry Kosgei ameelezea venye chama ya ODM iliundwa. At the beginning, remember the party was formed at the 205 referendum. So, Gitobu Imanyara alikimbia pale kwa Register of Political Parties, akajiandikisha na chama yake inaitwa ODM. So jina ya ODM ilikuwa imeenda. Now they had to try and look for another name. Wakaongeza Kenya. Now they had ODM Kenya registered under Manzo, Kalonzo and Mutula Kilonzo Senior. Mimi sijui mbona walitrust hivyo sana, but to some point pia Manzo akatoroka venye Kalonzo alikosa kupewa hiyo ticket. Ukasema Raila Amolo Odinga was going to be the presidential candidate. So ilibidi Raila Amolo Odinga aende approach tena Gitobu Imanyara, na venye umesikia Kosgei amesema they bought the party from Gitobu Imanyara, na hivyo ndio Raila Amolo Odinga aliregain the ODM party. Also take. Explain your opinion in the comments. Give the video a like and remember to subscribe. Thank you for always tuning in.